Hey everyone, hope you are doing well. So most of the people are thinking that starting an online business is need money, need design skill, a lot of things they need. And what if I told you that you can build your real e-commerce brand without spending $0, hiring zero freelancer? You can just give the prompt, and this will build your website, and then you can connect with the Shopify, and then you can sell. Like whatever have into your brain, and then you can build, and then you can sell. So you no need coding skill, you no need design skill, nothing. And just you need to watch the full video. And by the way, if you don't know who I am, my name is Farhad. I'm a founder of Creative Web Boost. So Creative Web Boost actually do a professional Shopify website for all over the brand. Okay, so all over the world we are actually providing service. So if you go to my agency website, as you can see, here is our before after photo, here is our reviews, and then here's our portfolio. If you want, you can explore. And then if you want my quick response, so if you want to get quick response, come to the WhatsApp and then message me if you have any need help. So I'm going to talk about that later. Let's move into the video. So first guys, you have to come to the lovable.com. So this is the great platform. So you can build your Shopify store or online store, and then you can connect with Shopify. So all you have to do, just first of all, you have to come on over here, and then you need to give the prompt. Okay, so first guys, I have written my prompt here. As you can see, the prompt actually showing here. So I said that help me plan to complete professional jewelry website, including homepage, product page, about us page, contact us page, blog page idea. Also suggest me what section each page should have. Just let's click the enter guys, and then first of all you have to log in first. So let's do it. Okay guys, finally we logged in. So I'm gonna click on the enter. Now let's see the amazing results. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds. He actually making plan for you guys. You cannot imagine he can what he can build, and by the end of the day you're gonna get amazing result. So guys, as you can see that he actually given me homepage and primary goal. They capture the attention, build trust, and showcase feature collection. And first of all, hero section, feature collection, bestseller, and brand story split, and then social proof, and Instagram feed, and value proposition, and newsletter. And the product page guys, as you can see, the product page gallery, and then product details, and customize option, add to cart, wish list, and product description, and specific table, and show return policy, and show return and shipping and return policy, and related product and reviews section. All this stuff he giving me, and then he like filtering option and for the collect category base. Guys, this is insane, this is amazing. So right now I'm gonna paste my next prompt, which is called that create a luxury yet model brand identity for my brand jewelry business, including color plate and font suggestion and tone, voice, style directly. Okay, so I'm gonna click the enter. Now guys, you will see the next amazing results. So since they actually making the plan, so as you can see, design recommendation, so he already giving me a color plate. So I also said that to suggest me more better one. So as you can see, actually making the better color. Oh my god guys, he also suggesting me color code as well, deep and the navy black and text for and more. Oh my god, sub. So this is insane. So if you can use these tools in the next 10 years, you can do a lot of things in the world. So all you have to do is just you need to watch my full video guys. Okay guys, he completely done that. So what he given me, let's see, color plate, and then also secondary color, accent color, and then also use guidance, and then 20% mind Nike and text higher, right, and then heading, and then also giving me body text, and then modern luxury recommendation. All this thing he actually giving me. So I'm not gonna waste your time, just I already show you how he giving me the results. So right now I'm gonna move into the next prompt. So guys, now I'm gonna paste my third number prompt. Guide me a step-by-step setup Shopify jewelry store, from choosing a theme and uploading product and setting up collection and create and collecting the payment and shipping. So let's enter that. So you have to wait to see the results. He actually thinking, and after that he gonna give me the result. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Just you need to watch my full video. By the end of the day you will get amazing result. So guys, lastly I have pasted my final prompt to build my whole website. So we have to wait, and then after that I will show you the whole results. Just you need to watch my full video, and then you will see the result. Guys, imagine this, how beautiful website he built. He built the navigation and range, necklace, and earnings, and then also bracelets and timeless, like all this crafting. Like you can also customize all this thing. I'm gonna show you. And then, as you can see, explore our collection. Here have the collection. Here also have our best selling. So as you can see, our list like this is so much amazing guys. If I can tell you, this is so much. And then also free shipping, lifetime bolo, and then join our free the sign up option. So this kind of stuff. So right now all this thing we perfect. Let's click on the different kind of collection. As you can see, collection actually showing here, necklace also showing here, earning also showing here, bell bracelets also showing here. So if I click one of a specific product, oh my god, this is add to cart option is still available here guys. Think about that. See if you can make it without coding this kind of stuff. But if you like a developer, if they would create the website, they would take like 3 to 5 to 10 days to build the similar same website, but you can make the website in just 10 seconds. Okay, so if I click the add to cart, as you can see, it's gonna add to cart. Okay, So maybe you have to go to the preview mode, so I'm gonna show you later. So and then let's explore all of them, and then at the end about this price and piece, and then like all this thing, and then if need assistant, like contact us, this kind of option available. So free shipping worldwide, and then lifetime or earnings, so this kind of stuff. So if I click on over here, let's see collection, all the page you can go. So let's see as a preview, it will open link in new tab. So I have to wait for, as you can see now, if I click the add to cart, let's see. So it's actually nothing happening here. So why? Because we didn't connect into the Shopify. I'm gonna show you how you can also do that. So first of all, let's come to the again on over here. So say something like, I want to sell online, I want to sell online, I want to sell online. Let's see what gonna happen next. Oh, I have to take the paid plan. So in this case, so if you actually have a paid plan, so in this case what gonna happen, like on over here actually come and like connect to Shopify. So here actually option will come. So if you search like I want to sell online, then they actually come to the like connect to Shopify. So if you already have a Shopify account, and then if you sign up at this point, it will automatically connect it with the Shopify store. So and then you can see your all the product that actually have on over here, same title, description. If I show you one of my client project that I'm doing now, let me show you. As you can see, I'm uploading product Alibaba to Shopify. Okay, so here's the product information here. So all the product actually title, description, images and variant, and all this thing actually will come into over here from the Lovable to Shopify. So pretty simple and pretty straightforward. And then you can also customize, and then you can also publish. If you click on publish, as you can see, here is actually you will get Lovable basic app. So if you want to add custom domain, you have to connect on over here, and then after that you have to buy your domain. As you can see, connect domain. If you click on over here, you have to take the paid plan. That's pretty much it for this video. So I hope you found this video so much helpful. So if you go again Lovable, and then you can explore, learn more, and then if you click on the each contact us page, as you can see, they actually build amazing contact us page. That's really amazing, guys. I cannot telling you how good is that. And then also here is the collection option, feature of option collection. If I click on the collection, as you can see, full collection actually showing here. So if I click a specific collection, it should take the collection. And if you face some issue, let's refresh then, and after that try to see that it's have been fixed or not. So you can also follow the prompt if you don't like anything, and then you can follow. And then also, guys, you can explore you can invite the people who actually build your website for you. But I personally recommend, just whenever you have a less business or a small business, so start with Shopify. Go to my agency website, I already show you, and message me, and then start with small. So whenever you will get sales, and then you can expand it more by using Lovable, and then you can add more feature, this kind of stuff. You can do it a lot of things, but start with small and then make it bigger day by day. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. So if you want to learn more, and go to my agency, and you can check our portfolio, and then all the stuff that I have done before for my client, and then you can check all of them, and then you can message me again how I can help you. Just you can message me. That's pretty much it. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day.